How does Magic Dirt make better, healthier plants and greener planet without using any chemicals? By using more naturally occurring nutrients than any competing products. 1 cubic yard of Magic Dirt offsets about 1 ton of greenhouse gas emissions. But what is our process? It all starts with the dairy cow, Daisy. Her manure goes into a patented anaerobic digester for 21 days that captures harmful emissions. The biogas is captured to make renewable energy. Then the remaining waste is repurposed to make Magic Dirt horticultural products. Reusing the waste offsets greenhouse emissions. The nutrients remaining in the waste are beneficial for plant growth and health. Therefore, better plants and a greener planet for Daisy. No peat moss, no coir, no perlite, no vermiculite. Just an environmentally responsible production. Make a difference. Use Magic Dirt for better plants and a greener planet.